Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will learn how to see locked chats WhatsApp not showing. To lock a chat, we are going to press and hold the one we want. Then, we will click on the three upper points and choose the lock chat option. When we have a minimum of one blocked chat, the blocked chats category will appear at the top. If not, scroll down to display the locked chats option. If we click on this option, we will see the chats that we have locked. If we want to unlock a chat, we will keep it pressed. Then we will click on the three upper points and choose the unlock chat option. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After that, the chat will leave this category and will return to normal conversations. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.